Good morning. Today is Monday, July 16th, 2012. The markets have opened on a quiet and sober note and waiting for more data to come during the course of the week. The following are some of the important indices that we need to track. The movement of the INR during the course of trades this week. Even as the INR appreciated on Thursday and Friday last week, commodities were taken down a little bit. INR closed around the 55.20 mark. Support is at 55 and 54.80 and resistance at 55.50. The US dollar index continues to trade above 83.5 and at new highs, whereas the euro against the dollar is trading at around 1.23. The markets are still expecting some stimulus packages or measures to be announced by the Chinese government, even as the data is there faltered, as also in the QE3 package from the US in the next Fed meet in the coming months ahead of us. We talk about the individual commodities. Gold is trading in a tight range for now between $1580 to $1590, currently trading at $1586. The resistances are seen at $1593 and $1600, and support is at $1575 and $1568. In MCX terms, the last traded price was at $29,280. Weekly resistance at $29,400 and support at $29,150. A breakout on either side would decide the next move. Silver is now trading at $27.25. Resistance would be $27.5. A close about $27.5 to $27.6 would signal further upside in this commodity. Downside is that supports are at 27 and 26.80. On the MCX exchange, due to sharp strengthening of the INR, closed lower at around the 52,770 mark. Immediate supports are at 52,500 and 52,300 and resistance at 53,100 and 53,400. Next major upside would be seen only on a break above 53,400 on a positional basis. Crude is now trading at $86.70 and strengthening of the INR is picking the MCX levels down, currently trading at around the 4790 to 4800 mark. Strong positional support is now existing at 4760 to 55 mark and resistance at 4830. A break above 4830 could test 4850 to 4900 in the days ahead. So positionally, unless 4750 is breached on a closing basis, expect more upside in crude oil in the days ahead on a positional basis. Natural gas has opened mild weaker. Strong resistance on the MCX is at, on a positional basis, is at the 162.80 mark. So long as it sustains below 160, further weakness could be seen up to 155 and 153 mark. Only a positional close or a weekly close above 162.80 could see next further bullishness in this commodity. Copper is now trading at the LTP of 426.50, has opened mildly weaker by around 0.30%, expected to open at around the 425 mark. The supports are at 423 and 420 and resistance at 429 and 431 mark. Positionally, so long as 420 and 418 are held, expect more upside up to 430 to 433 mark on the higher side. Nickel again trades positive. LTP is 897. Strong weekly support or a positional support is at 880 and resistance at 920 to 920 mark. If it sustains above 905 to 907, expect more upside in this commodity. Zinc and lead again look to be buy or dips. Zinc is more positive of the two, with a weekly and positional support at 102.50. So long as this is not breached, expect more upside in this market. Overall, the key to be watched today are the currency movements in the INR, the dollar index and the euro. Pertinent members may also note that of late over the past 1 month, all agri commodities of NCDX are on a major upswing, and one could look at investments in agri commodities in the months ahead for good returns and opportunities. For further updates and commentaries, please visit our website at www.akshayaship.com. Have a good and profitable trading day. Thank you.